So now let's see the different type of animation easings that you can apply inside of Figma. So over here you can see that I got 8 buttons and the first one is linked out onto the frame 2. So over here in the interactions area, if you were to go in, then you can see that move in is applied, and over here in the easing option you can see linear is applied. So linear is the default way of animation where there is no ease in or ease out. So we're going to explore how this actually looks. So I'm just going to go around and keep it at 1000 millisecond right here. Similarly, I'm going to link out the second button over here, and then this is going to be ease in. So this is ease in right here, and over here this is going to be ease out. So I'm going to go around ease out. For this one, I'm going to go around and turn this into ease in and out right here. For this one, let's just go around, and then this is going to be ease in back, and then this is going to go around right here. So if I were to go around, this is ease in back right here, as you can see, and this one is ease in back as well. So I'm going to go around right here. For this one, I'm going to go around, and then this is ease out back. For this one, let me just click and drag and go around. This is ease in and out back, as you can see. So I've applied all the type of animations right here. So if I were to go around and press the play button, then it'll open up the prototype right there. So interactive prototype will be opened up. So now what I will be able to do is, if I were to click here, you can see that that's the linear animation. So it just comes up right here. So let me just go back and show you again. Click, and you can see that the animation just pops up. It just slides over there in place. If I were to click on this, which is another type of animation, so here the ease in is applied. So if I were to click on this one, you can see that in the beginning it slowly comes in, but at the end it just pops up right there. For this one, this is ease out. So you can see that it slides into place, but as it slides in, it actually stops out. So in the beginning it is very, very fast, but as it comes in, you can see that it slides and stays in place with acceleration. Similarly, this is ease in and ease out. So if I were to click on this, you can see that it starts slow and then comes slow and gets in place. This is another option right here, as you can see. So this is this one over here is ease in back right here. So it is quite fast to actually come in. It is very slow in the beginning, but really fast at the end. Similarly, this is the opposite right here. It is lower at the end. As you can see, there's a kind of a bounce going on right there. And this one, there's bounce on both of the side. It comes in slowly and then it bounces right back into place. So those are the types of animations and easings that you can add in inside of your prototyping to make your interactions even more real, even more interesting for the users. So those are the types of animation easings inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.